weight loss smoothie today's recipe.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
Let's just check out the recipe ingredients list for you. Today I have taken half a cup of rolled oats and I am soaking it overnight in water. It's a healthy way to consume rolled oats. The next day morning, to a blender, I'm adding in a cup of strawberry. I'm also adding in a small size banana, and to this, the overnight soaked oats is being added. I'm adding coconut milk. You can add almond milk, skim milk, any milk of your choice. Blending the above ingredients and our oats, strawberry, banana smoothie is ready. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder for flavoring and a tablespoon of nuts and seeds for garnishing. Use this as a replacement for your breakfast. Simple, healthy, easy. Anybody in your friends and family circle requires counseling, our WhatsApp number is there. Just message us, we will connect.